Hello students. Get ready, because today we're setting off on a thrilling journey into the world of probability. First things first, what exactly is probability? Well, it's simply a way to measure how likely an event is to happen. We do this by comparing the number of things we want to happen, what we call favorable outcomes, to all the possible things that could happen. All these possibilities are called the sample space, and we usually write that as S. When we look at a specific outcome we're interested in, like getting heads on a coin toss, we call it E, and write the probability of that happening as P, E. Now, let's talk about some important terms. An experiment in probability is just any trial that gives us a result, like tossing a coin or rolling a die. A random experiment is when we can't predict what the outcome will be. For example, when you toss a coin, you don't know if you'll get heads, H, or tails, T. Both are equally possible. The outcomes are just the results of the experiment. So for a coin toss, the outcomes are heads or tails. An event is a group of outcomes that we're interested in, like getting heads in a coin toss or rolling a 5 on a die. Now, here's a term, a complementary event. This includes all the outcomes that aren't part of our event. So, if our event is rolling a 5 on a die, the complementary event is rolling any number except 5. Here's something really important to remember. The total probability of an event and its complement always adds up to 1. For example, phosphorus monohydride equals 0.5, P, complement of head, equals 0.5. Together, they add up to 1, because one of those outcomes has to happen. And here's another key thing. Probabilities always range between 0 and 1. If something is absolutely impossible, the probability is 0. If it's 100% guaranteed to happen, the probability is 1. Lastly, let's chat about something called at least and at most. If someone asks you for the probability of rolling at least a 4 on a die, you'd be looking for the outcomes 4, 5, and 6, because those are 4 or higher. If they ask for at most a 4, you'd look for 1, 2, 3, and 4, because those are 4 or lower. So remember, students, probability helps us understand how likely different things are to happen in the world around us. It's like your own special prediction tool. Now, here's a question for you. What is the sample space when you toss 2 coins? Drop your answers in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 9 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.